What's going on, guys? It's Matt with No BS Beard Reviews. Today we're taking a look at Primal Origin Oils. Now, before we get started, I just want to go ahead and read you the list of ingredients on this. And so the first ingredient is raspberry oil, rosehip oil, jojoba oil, amila nut oil, kukui oil, chia seed oil, hemp oil, the fragrance, and then vitamin E. Now, what do 99% of the oils in this have in common? I'll give you a second to think about it. Well, 99% of the oils here are not typically found in beard oil. And so typically you'll see some jojoba oil and vitamin E. Every now and then I'll see kukui oil and beard oils, but these here are so unique. Let me get a close up there. Now, that's what really differentiates Primal Origin from other companies out there. The carrier oils they have in here are truly a premium beard oil. Now, I know the term premium gets thrown around a lot and people say, well, premium this, premium that. Is it really premium? Well, I can vouch for Primal Origin and say, for one, the oils found in here are very good. They're leave my beard feeling super soft, almost unlike any other beard oils I've ever tried by themselves. And the other part of the premium that you often see, I've seen beard oils go for $100 for a 1 ounce container. Well, the premium oil here, this only goes for $14.99 at primaloriginoils.com. Again, primaloriginoils.com is where you can find these. I'm going to drop a link below as well as a discount code. You guys can use NoBS to get 15% off your order of their premium oils. And so I've got 3 of their oils to take a look at. Again, I'm blown away by the ingredients here. I'm just going to go over them one more time. Raspberry oil. Have you ever seen that in a beard oil before? I haven't. Rosehip oil, jojoba oil, amila nut oil, kukui oil, chia seed oil, hemp oil, the fragrance, as well as vitamin E. Blown away. So I've got 3 of their oils. I've got 2 scented ones as well as an unscented version. First up, we'll take a look at Northman. Now, Northman is an herbal, earthy scent with mild woodsy notes. The essential oils in this are going to be sage, lavender, sandalwood, black pepper, and frankincense. And so what really I like about these are very different than anything I have on my beard shelf. These are very earthy, very natural smelling. This isn't an over formulated cologne scent by any means. It's just a very natural, earthy scent. And so this one, I get a lot of sage personally, which I like. I get that sage and sandalwood. A little bit of spiciness from the black pepper. This is a good one. I do enjoy this. The scent duration on these is probably a 4 to 6 hour mark. They're not super strong, but at the same time, you get the scent long enough in my opinion, which is perfect. I don't need to be smelling something all day long. I think these do a good job of letting you smell the scent profile without it being overpowering. All right, second one we're going to take a look at is their Pangaea scent. Now, Pangaea is really a kind of a classic smoky and sweet scent. The owner, Steven, mentioned this is their most popular scent. And the oils in this, the essential oils in this are lemon, sandalwood, and cedarwood. And so when I first smell that, the first note I get is lemon, and then a woodsy note. I can't tell if it's the sandalwood or the cedar. I definitely smell cedar as well. I really like that. It's just a nice, clean, earthy scent. Again, same scent duration. I was getting about 4 to 6 hours from these. Very good oils. And the third one is actually their unscented oil, and this is their Neanderthal. For a second there, I couldn't speak. And this is their Neanderthal. And so this is an unscented oil. But when I say it's unscented, since they use such unique ingredients, it almost has its own natural earthiness It's like a sweet, sweet scent. Well, I should go throw some of this in the beard. I want to show you guys. It's a light yellow color. Now the consistency, this is it's a light, like either a heavy lightweight oil or a light medium weight oil. It's on the lighter side of medium, but it's not a light oil by any means. Just excellent conditioning. As I mentioned, those oils in there, man, they leave your beard feeling super soft. But yeah, I'm super impressed and sold on these premium oils in here. You know, I don't know which one exactly my beard is really loving, whether it's that raspberry oil or the rose hip oil. But no, it's great stuff. It definitely leaves my beard feeling super soft, almost softness that you would get from like a beard butter. It's kind of crazy to use a beard oil and be able to get that type of softness. So I'm sold on Primal Origin oils. They're based out of Utah. Excellent owner, a guy named Steven. Young man, super smart, super passionate about the beard oil and beard care industry. On top of that, a huge thing I like about them as well is they make donations every year to different conservation efforts, wildlife conservation efforts based off of their sales of their oils. So thought that was pretty unique and pretty cool as well. But guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers out there. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can click on my head right around here. But no, I do appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you guys for all the interactions. Don't forget, use No BS to get 15% off your order at primaloriginoils.com. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Have a good weekend.